Hello, my name's Lorraine Marshall and welcome to my YouTube channel for digital reviews. Today I am going to be looking at the high ticket closing, which is a training product. So I'm going to walk you through the two bonuses that I'm putting with this product. So anyone who wants to buy the product through my link below in the description below will receive two bonuses. Also have a look at the sales page and walk you through what the product is about, and then have a quick look at the video. So first of all, this is my bonus page for the high ticket closing. So what is high ticket closing all about? Basically, it's a training product, and these are the things that you would be able to learn in this training when you purchase the product. It's about your core belief system and how you can self-sabotage. If you've got limiting beliefs, then you need to actually change and transform those beliefs in order to move forward. The first element of the training is around changing your limiting beliefs. Secondly, there's how to close sales more effectively. So there's a 6-step sales process, and this training walks you through that. Also, how to win hearts and minds of potential clients, what to say, and they're saying the right thing. The APAC model, which stands for acknowledge, probe, answer, and confirm. So this is included in this great training. How to overcome the most common objections. Now, this is a great thing to have knowledge about. I understand how that works. I used to do multi-level marketing a long time ago, and so this was one of the trainings I actually took. And other thing is in this training is how to market to people, and how they will gladly sort of pay you the money to start with you and get onto a training system. So, and then position yourself as an authority. So that's obviously a good place to start, because sometimes when you're in a situation of not quite sure, your self-esteem is low, then you need to be able to know what your position of authority is. So this trainer will take you through that as well. The product creator is Mohamed Boubaker, and he is a full-time internet marketer and e-commerce store owner. He also runs one of Germany's fastest growing web-based major organizations and working with Facebook and TikTok to make solutions for business. Now, this training program is a master program for anyone who's serious about getting into sales with high-paying clients and boosting coaching and consultation businesses. The price is retailing for under $97, if that's including the VAT, but the special launch price of $77 plus VAT. Now, this is for you if you have your own product launches, but you're a bit tired of making average sales, or you are poor at closing due to lack of skills in qualifying your leads, or you own a program and would like to gain clients online, or you're a seasoned marketer with an intention of a 10-fold increase in your profits, or you're a newbie with a zero experience in internet marketing. So it covers a wide range of people here. Now, if you just want to improve your sales online and increase the number of customers and increase your profits, then this product is for you. So let's have a look at the bonuses that I'm offering with this product today. Bonus number 1 is Facebook Live Handbook. Now, the value of this is $97. It's a PDF download, and it walks you through how to set up your Facebook Live and how Facebook Live will boost your authority, boost your being able to be seen online in Facebook, and basically any of people who are interested in what your product is or what your service is will be able to see and then join your business or get more information. So it's a great product to be able to help you to understand how Facebook Live works. My second bonus is the Ninja Facebook advertising and retargeting tactics. So basically it takes you through, it's a downloadable, it's a PDF, and this will take you through how you become a super affiliate using Facebook ads. So it gives you some real tips and tactics in order to improve on your Facebook ads and boost your email list, the number of clients that you have, and obviously increasing your profit at the end of the day. So 2 great bonuses available through my link that will be in the description below. Now let's go over and have a look at the sales page for high ticket closing. Here we go. This is the sales page for high ticket closing. And there is a video here that explains a little bit more about how it works, what the program is about. Let's have
one last time before you go. With what you have now, building a business that generates $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 per month is quite achievable. But if you plan to be in the business for the long haul, and you know someday you set your sights on bigger numbers like $20,000 a month, $50,000 per month, $100,000 per month even, how would you like to know the secret to get there faster? The answer is high ticket sales. Instead of peddling just low ticket offers around prices like $7, $50 and so on, you can step up your game and start selling high ticket. I'm talking about 500, 1,000, 2,000 sales and above. There's nothing wrong with selling low priced offers, for I believe there is a customer for every price point. But let me ask you a question. If you're going to make $10,000 per month, which of the following scenarios is easier? Scenario A, selling 1,000 copies of $10 products, or Scenario B, find 5 clients and charge them $2,000 each. In both instances, you make the same amount of income. But notice that Scenario A requires you more effort to find more customers. I can tell you, it's a lot easier to find a few customers paying big sums than getting a horde of buyers paying lower prices. More often than not, the support is a headache, and at low prices, you attract customers that demand more for little. Not that there's anything wrong with selling low ticket offers, but think about it. If you're going to hit $10,000 this month, all you need is just to find 2 clients to pay you $5,000. And with just 2 clients, your headaches are a lot less. Of course, if you could have done it, you would have done it already, right? The ability to get people to pay you top dollar for premium fees you command is a jealously guarded secret, until now that is. So on this page, I'm announcing high ticket closing. This is the go-to master program for anyone serious about getting high-paying clients and skyrocket their coaching and consultation business. It's too long to list, but here's what you will learn. Change your core belief system and turn self-sabotaging limiting belief into something empowering. How to close sales effectively with this amazing 6-step sales process. How to win hearts and minds of your potential clients, the APAC model. How to overcome some of the most common objections heard ever. How to market to people with money they'd be gladly pay or beg, borrow and steal to join you. How to position yourself as an authority expert in your field, and much more to be discovered in this training. Since this is about high ticket, it makes sense that I price it as such. But because you're a new customer and you've been a great support, I'm willing to bend my rule a little bit. So only on this page, you can get high ticket closing at a special customer's price. I only ask you don't share this page with anyone else. This is strictly for you, so keep it to yourself. You can get access to my high-end training at a no-brainer investment. I imagine you rope in just 1 client and this will pay itself easy. So don't wait, don't delay, click on the button below and secure your instant access. Let's take your business to the next level right from the beginning.
So then we have the video for the high ticket closing, which walked you through some of the training, what you will learn and why it's important. So obviously scenario A is difficult. You need to get more and more customers every time to keep going. Scenario B is you find a few clients and charge them a higher ticket price. Now, obviously, in a marketing mix, it could start with a low product and end up with a higher product. It's a ladder from low, medium to high. Obviously, this is a training for high ticket closing, so that's what it's going to deliver. So, if you want to purchase a product like this at this really special price through this launch period, then take a look at the description below and click on the link. Go through to my bonus page and pick up the product for $77 plus VAT. So this is my review of high ticket closing, and I will see you on the next review. Thanks for listening. Bye.